Hey guys, I'm Teresa. The Insane Production is offering the additional sound effects collection. Some of these were used in Chilled Team's MS-DOS Barney error. So here's the first sound effect, which isn't a jump scare. Listen to them. They will be used for Barney errors, and even Teresa errors, in the future. And the non-jump scare sound effects are now available. Now here's the punishment sound effects, but if you see this, turn down your volume to 5%.
Retard.
That's all the additional sound effects. Feel free to use these for your Barney errors and Teresa errors. But here's my reveal. Yep, that's right. I have a redesign now. Anyway, I'm done with this video.